welcome back. In this video, as you can see, I have a HP monitor, and this monitor model is P244 monitor, which is 24-inch monitor, and this is on a base stand. I will show you how you can remove this stand, and that's a good thing about it. You can change the monitor into a visa mount, while it has a visa mount for so you can attach a height adjustable stand into this monitor. So to remove the base plate and stand, we will leave in a flat surface, so then your monitor won't get any damage. So remove the base plate. You just use, you can see there is the push down and slightly push from the front, then it will come off from this stand. Now if you want to remove this hinge, simply just press there, and then you will be able to remove this stand. You can see this come off from the monitor. So this is how you remove your stand from the P244 monitor.